gonna go and kiss the Blarney Stone, get some luck, and hopefully not fall.
It's not luck, Holly, it's eloquence.
What's eloquence? Bit of a tight fit. And narrower. Yeah. That was really narrow. That was quite scary. If you're claustrophobic, don't do this, because even I was kind of freaking out of it. Woo! I still don't know what eloquent means. Can someone please explain? It's your official certificate to say that you can kiss stones.
Kiss stones backwards.
More stairs. Great.
If we don't get the Jameson Factory, we're going to a bar.
Aye, so if you don't like stairs, you don't like heights, you don't like confined spaces, don't do Blarney. But if you like all of that, then this is the place for you. So why do we come and see a murder hole? Why do we come specifically to the murder hole? Was kissing stones not enough?
Kissing stones and murdering holes. Sounds like you.
I'm worried about you. Yep. We're about to taste some whiskies.
Sláinte.
Sláinte.
Sláinte. Want her in the picture?
Oh yeah.
Very much.
That was the Jameson Distillery. At the end of every Jameson tour you get a Jameson ginger ale or a Jameson straight. Perfect, so you can transfer that information then just into our ledger here. Man-made structure in the ground. It's kind of like just one big massive hole essentially, and it was made to kind of recreate ancient burial grounds, and an artist made some kind of sculpture. I don't really know what it is in the centre of it, but it's pretty cool. It's free as well. Now that is an ingenious idea. Apparently the acoustics, you're not meant to be able to hear anything once you're inside it, but right now you can't really get that effect because there's a lawnmower going. So we're heading to a place called Castletownsend, and this is where I spent a lot of my summers as a kid. And I always like coming back to it, just for a little bit of nostalgia. And it's a very pretty little town. So the building behind me is where I spent a lot of my childhood. I used to come down here for like a couple of weeks, a month at a time. Also stayed in there, it's the castle. This pub has been granted the James Joyce Pub Award for being an authentic Irish pub. So if you're ever in the south of Ireland, get these crisps. Don't get them in the north, get them in the south. This is Glandore, and this is one of the villages on the Wild Atlantic Way. The Glandore Inn, Wilds, and Hacketts Bar. This is the first time this entire holiday I've not had a Guinness, so chin chin to Heineken.
Oh.
Cheers! Cheers! Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm dreading it.
So this is Hacketts Bar. This is the local. They pour Guinness directly from the keg, which means it's the best Guinness in the world. Shots, shots.
That's been edited out.
Hacketts!
No, not this crack.
All goes to him, I can't get them. It's her stone, she even realises that.
My day is made, there are 2 dogs. Yeah! Oh! The most southern pint in Ireland. Can't get any damn peace and quiet around here. The vlog. We're at one of the sites where the last Star Wars film was made, the bit on the island where Rey comes to visit Luke Skywalker, and it's just beautiful up here, completely off the beaten track. The area we're in is Crookhaven, so if you're a wee bit of a Star Wars fanatic, Crookhaven. And we're in what's it called? Bry's Head. This is the look.
That is so steep.
Nope. So I think that's where the film was shot, over in those rocks. And see that wee house up there? That's where we were just walking, so somewhere around here. Caution, dangerous bends ahead. No shit. So right now we're at the Irish Aviation Authority. This is a planetarium. We are that high, we're in a cloud. Oh my god, that is so scary. You can see the sea way in the distance.
Oh yeah, over there.
Oh my god,
that's
that's so weird. There's the sea.
Oh wow.
Good morning from Schull. It's the last day. Travelling home today. And this is my all-time favourite view in the world. Whenever people say go to your happy place, this is my happy place. Bye for another year. Bye, house. Bye. I'm so sad.
So sad.
I hate leaving this house, and now we have a 360-mile journey ahead of us. Yay! Yay!
Whoop the fucking do.
Yay! But coffee,
Coffee.
and that's that. See you in Cork.
One eternity later.
Welcome to the north. Hi Belfast.
I couldn't have been timed any more perfectly. Like,
We've made it. It is now 5 o'clock.
it's some good time.
It was 11 o'clock whenever I last said anything. So that's
One hostage mask.
6 hours.
Well done.
6 hours. And we're nearly home. And now we're going to the pub to get some Guinness.
Already.
As if there hasn't been enough consumed. I don't know what number of Guinness this is. It's sure to be in the double figures by now.